Hi guys, my name is Elvin. I create YouTube channels and my name is Black Boy. Capital letters to be honest. So I'm gonna do a full tour of my house, around the cars, everything. Let this video start and please subscribe. Okay, so as we see here, we have our 2018 Ford Ranger 4x4. 2.2 speed, 6 speed. Okay. Next, this is our neighbor's house, and next we are gonna do this. I don't know when we bought it. I think it was 2013. This kind of beaten up, yeah, but it still works, and in fact it's the fastest of all of these three. This is our other one that's at the farm, but we brought it to a city so we can repair it. The engine ain't starting, and this is what you call an development. I know it's disgusting behind here, but you know, life is a struggle. Okay, bye guys, see you in the next video.